In this video, we will talk about SQL order by keyword. So as clear from the name, order, okay? Order means to sort the table results in either ascending or descending orders, okay? So like I was showing you earlier in one of the earlier videos, if you want to sort the entire table according to the value of a particular column by ascending or descending order, you can just click on the column name like this, right? So here the table results are sorted in ascending order by the first name, and here the table results are sorted in the descending order by the first name. So in this video we will see how you can do the same using the SQL query. Okay, for that we have to make use of order by keyword. So select star from employees. I'm selecting all the columns from the employees table, and then here you have to use the order by keyword. So you have to use order and then by. Okay, the two keywords order and by has to be used together, order by, and then we have to write the column name which we want to order. Okay, let's say I want the results to be ordered by first name in ascending order, so I can just write order by first name, and then you have to specify the order in which you want to sort. That means either in ascending order or in descending order. For ascending order you have to use the keyword ASC, and for descending order you have to use the keyword DESC. Okay, so this you have to make sure. Okay, if you want to sort in ascending order, you need not specify the keyword ASC always. But if you want to sort in descending order, you must specify the keyword DESC. Okay. In other words, by default, if you want to sort the result in ascending order only, you need not to specify the ASC keyword. So this is the query: select all from employees and order by first name. So here we are specifying that we want to select all the columns from the employees table, and the results should be sorted in ascending order of the first name. So I'll just click on the go button, and now you see here the results are sorted in ascending order by the first name. Okay, I'll just edit the query and I'll sort this by descending order by writing the ASC, and then click on the go, and you can see the results are now sorted in descending order. I'll also show you by writing ASC. Okay, it gives the same results, no difference. It's just that ASC is not always, you need not to write ASC explicitly if you want to sort in ascending order. Okay, now let's just sort by last name. You can see now the results are sorted in ascending order by last name. You can also sort, by multiple columns. Okay, so let's say I want to order by first name and last name. Okay, so I can do it like this: first name and last name, both in ascending order only for now I'm doing. And now you see first name is also in ascending order and the last name is also in ascending order. That means it will try to fetch those records which has results in sorted order, such that the combination of first name and last name is actually in ascending order. Okay, and similarly you can also do like first name I want in ascending order, so I have to specify ASC, and I want the last name in descending order. Here I can skip adding ASC because it is not always necessary again to write ASC. Okay, so now I want the records to be fetched in such a way that the first name should be in ascending order and the last name should be in descending order. Okay, so I'll just click on go, and now you see Amer Zonkar. Okay, so this is the best combination, which is in which the first name is in ascending order and the last name is in descending order. This way you can sort the results in SQL using the order by keyword.